Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Top best natural shampoos for every hair type. When it comes to natural shampoos, the definition is like a toss. Is natural shampoo the same as organic shampoo? Does that mean that natural shampoo is from earth? You've got that idea. But famed hairstylist Andrew Fitzsimmons says it's best to keep the definition of natural shampoo simple, even if it's not clear. A natural shampoo is one that cleanses the hair with ingredients found in nature, such as plant extracts, essential oils, and other naturally occurring ingredients. Should also not be included parabens, synthetic fragrances. Already curious? Introducing the best natural shampoos for all hair types and hair concerns. From rich formulas that repair damaged hair to skin balancing cleansers for dandruff and dry scalp. Keep scrolling to find the best natural shampoos. 1. Best overall. Davines Solu Shampoo. If you're looking for a deep clean, this powerful formula is for you. But don't worry, it won't damage or dry your hair. Formulated with Valtellina buckwheat, which is rich in protein, antioxidants and amino acids, it helps remove residue and product buildup on the hair and scalp. It basically gives you clean, fresh curls in minutes. It is indispensable. Pros: really cleans and removes buildup. Fortifies with vegetable protein. Cons: aroma is not for everyone. 2. Best drugstore option. SheaMoisture Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore shampoo. Opting for natural shampoos doesn't have to break the bank. This drugstore find is under $10 and is chock full of natural ingredients. Organic shea butter, for example, is the mega hydrator in this formula, while black castor and peppermint oils help to strengthen weak tresses and wake up the scalp. Pros: reasonable price. Great for textured hair. Cons: may not be right for those with excessive oiliness. 3. Best for curls. Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino Plus Avocado Hydrating Shampoo. People with curly hair know better than anyone that not all shampoos are created equal, and, if you have type 3 or 4 hair, a moisture-rich, gentle shampoo is a must. This fan favorite helps to keep frizz at bay, add moisture to already parched coils, and boost definition. 4. Best for straight hair. Reverie Shampoo. This gel shampoo is award-worthy. Oat protein and a blend of vital minerals helps to promote hair growth by improving circulation in the scalp, while amino acids and sweet almond oil rebuild damaged strands and even help to protect your dye job. 5. Best for textured hair. Mielle Organics Babassu Oil Conditioning Sulfate-Free Shampoo. Believe us when we say that, we're not just suggesting this product because the brand is a favorite of the hot girl coach herself, Megan Thee Stallion. This shampoo has actually gained a cult following over the years thanks to its formula, which features Babassu oil that helps to keep the hair moisturized and promote healthy growth. 6. Best for damaged hair. Brickell Men's Products Daily Strengthening Shampoo. Although this shampoo is marketed to men, we like to consider it unisex because it's that good. With ingredients like aloe vera, pro-vitamin B5, vitamin E, and amino acids, it addresses a myriad of hair concerns from thinning to dullness to damaged locks. And the best part is the fresh, minty fragrance that lingers after you rinse. 7. Best clarifying formula. Acure Curiously Clarifying Shampoo. Clarifying shampoos don't have to be laden with harsh detergents and cleansers. In fact, this gentle cleansing formula gets the job done with the help of lemongrass, which clarifies the hair naturally. And since it's infused with argan oil, dry, brittle locks aren't of concern. 8. Best for dandruff. JＡSÖN Dandruff Relief Treatment Shampoo. The combination of salicylic acid and sulfur help to treat and prevent dandruff and psoriasis on the scalp. And since dandruff-ridden scalps tend to be dry and flaky, a trio of oils including rosemary, olive, and jojoba help to soothe and moisturize the hair and scalp after each use. 9. Best for color-treated hair. Kiehl since 1851. Sunflower Color Preserving Shampoo. Whether you're sporting highlights, balayage, or a full-on color job, this shampoo will keep your hue locked into place with no fading or turning. Since there's apricot kernel and sunflower oils, the hair stays soft to the touch and protected from environmental damage too. 10. Best for dry hair. Rahua Hydration Shampoo. There's so much to love about this hydrating shampoo. Quinoa protein helps keep moisture locked in place. Sacha Inchi is rich in omega-3 lipids and keeps moisture levels in the hair balanced, and Rahua oil helps to improve the health of the hair follicle. Consider it a superfood-infused green juice for your locks. 11. Best for co-washing. Drunk Elephant Laini Latherless Conditioning Co-Cleanser. Conditioning cleansers have their place in a well-balanced hair routine, so we couldn't leave this one out of the lineup. You won't find any lathering here, but it's chock full of oils and nutrients that cleanse, condition, and rebalance the hair to make styling easier. Plus, it helps to keep the pH of the scalp balanced for optimal health. How do you shop for a natural shampoo? It's important to read the ingredients list Fitzsimmons suggests. He advises looking for ingredients like olive oil, coconut oil, shea butter, aloe vera, plant extracts, and others with names that are easy to pronounce. In most cases, natural shampoos tend to have shorter ingredient lists that might often feature products you can find in your pantry. This means the ingredients are naturally occurring and full of conditioning benefits. Formulas featuring phthalates, sulfates, and parabens are ones you'll want to steer clear of if you're on the hunt for something more natural. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get new video updates.